In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your preferences for receiving payments on PayPal using the 2025 interface. Whether you're an individual seller, freelancer, or business owner, configuring these settings properly ensures you receive payments efficiently and securely. First, open your preferred browser and go to paypal.com or launch the PayPal mobile app. The homepage now features a clean dashboard with quick links to all major functions. Look for the login button in the top right corner of the page or the app home screen. Click it and enter your registered email address and password. Ensure your credentials are correct to avoid login issues and press the login button again. Once logged in, you will see the new streamlined dashboard displaying your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to sending or requesting money. Next, locate your profile icon in the top right corner. In 2025, PayPal shows either your profile picture or initials. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. The settings page is now organized with tabs for Account, Payments, Security, Notifications, and more. Click on the Payments tab. This is where you can manage all payment-related settings. Under the Payments tab, you will find Manage How You Receive Payments or Payment Preferences. Click on it. Here, you can control which types of payments you accept, including PayPal balance, linked bank accounts, debit or credit cards, and payment methods from other users. Make sure to activate all options that suit your needs. If you have automatic or recurring payments, scroll to Automatic Payments. This section allows you to manage preferred funding sources for each recurring transaction, ensuring the right account or card is charged every time. For business accounts, you may also see options to configure payment receiving preferences by currency, country, or invoice type. Carefully review all options and enable the ones that fit your operational requirements. PayPal 2025 also allows linking multiple funding sources and setting default payment sources for each type of incoming payment, providing extra control and convenience. After making your selections, click Save to ensure all changes are applied. You can revisit these settings anytime from the Payments tab if your needs change. Configuring your payment preferences correctly guarantees smoother transactions, faster payments, and improved account security. For any issues, PayPal support is accessible from the Help section. That's it. You now know how to fully set up your payment preferences in PayPal's 2025 interface, ensuring efficient, secure, and flexible payment management. Happy payment management.